Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni Espresso machine. You can see we have another pressure gauge on here, just to check the pressure. And you can see the original pressure gauge is off by a little over half a bar. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. One more. We get a nice shot of espresso. Go ahead and test the steam. So the pressure went all the way down on the steam, and that tells me that the vacuum release valve is not quite working right. So the best way to deal with that is to just, when you open the top lid, the top, to allow, when you open the top to allow to add water, you'll release the vacuum. And so that will be fine, but on the times when you don't add water, if you just open the steam valve quick, but when you first turn the machine on, that will introduce the machine, it'll release the vacuum from the machine essentially. And that's the best way to deal with a vacuum release valve that's not working right. And so we're just waiting for it to come up to temperature. Okay, now we're up to temperature, and let's go ahead and see that we get nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.